What are the fundamental steps for digital transformation? Well, McKinsey suggests 5 steps that align very much with what we're seeing digital leaders pursue. Create a digital thread right at the start of the innovation process and maintain it. Find manufacturing partners that are digitally native. Ensure that you have the right digital tools to manage your supply chain. It's way beyond time to throw away those spreadsheets. Insist that your own manufacturing ecosystem or that of any supplier has implemented a digital transformation strategy, and embrace digital technologies. Digital twin, automation, robotics, additive manufacturing, and artificial intelligence, they're all digital building blocks. Manufacturing intelligence is a critical part of the digital thread that can help support your digital transformation, guiding design decisions from early design to ongoing production.